Let's go. It's not like streaming. I need a script. I can edit it later. Blah, blah, blah. That's different. It feels completely different. Anyway. Right, welcome to the studio workshop. So this is where I do all my building. This is where I'm going to plan to do all the videos. Hopefully you'll see things change over the course of the videos, and hopefully, fingers crossed, changes that we'll make are going to be for the better. We'll have some better lighting, better sound quality. I recently won a competition ran by AMD UK on Twitter, and 95% of the parts have arrived. I'm still waiting for the power supply, which I'm told is on its way, and I should have it on Monday. It's coming all the way from Germany. So this is just to give you a run through of what I won, and of course make you jealous, because I won this and I didn't pay anything for it. Let's run you through what we won. Right, let's get into it then. I have opened this box and took an item out. It was an AMD Red Team Radiant t-shirt. So, without further ado, let's get into this then. Right, so, where did we start? This is an MSI 5700 XT. It is the MSI Evoke OC. Now this is a lovely card. It's a really, really nice card. It has 3 DisplayPort connections and an HDMI. I was looking for one of these cards anyway. So there you go, MSI RX 5700 XT. We also have a X570 Gaming Plus motherboard from MSI. Obviously it was an AMD giveaway, so they're going to give away an AMD processor. Processor-wise, they have sent the AMD Ryzen 5. This is a 2600X, 6-core, 12 threads, and this runs at a base clock of 3.6 gigahertz. Memory-wise, they have sent over Adata's XPG Gamix D10, and that is 16 gigabytes, 2 8s, and they are 3000 megahertz. Storage-wise, they've sent over this, which is the XPG SX6000 Pro, 512 gigabytes of storage, and according to the back, read speeds up to 2100 megabytes and write speeds up to 1500 megabytes. So, pretty quick little drive. Just peripherals left in here. So peripherals, we have pretty much an XPG bundle here. So this is the XPG mechanical gaming keyboard. It is the InfraX K20 XPG EMIX or MX H20 gaming headset. It has a USB interface, 7.1 surrounds, virtual 7.1 surround sound, 50mm drivers, adjustable microphone. The cups rotate so you can pop it down around your neck and it'll just sit comfortably against your shoulders. Yeah, I've worn it for a little bit. It's quite comfortable. It's got good sound quality, although I'm deaf in one ear, so you know, headsets generally don't make that much of a difference to me. XPG gaming mouse and mouse pad. This is the InfraX M10 and the InfraX R10. This is an RGB mouse pad. I digress. Just had to get that in there, didn't I? Right. As well as the bundle there, we also received, so we got an Iyama G Master Red Eagle GB2760HSU. This is a 1080p 27-inch 144 Hz monitor. Sorry, I'm just getting told from the corner that I'm covering that camera angle up too much. So there is the Red Eagle. Let's just say the Red Eagle, the G Master Red Eagle from Iyama. I think that's how you say it. I nearly died when the delivery guy gave me this. This thing weighs 20 kilograms. For our American friends, that is 45 pounds and that's empty. This is the MSI Sakira 500p. This thing is huge. Because it's just so big. Christ, that's heavy. That is some thick glass. It's thick with a double C. Loads of room here for cable management. There's the inside. Space here for vertically mounting the graphics card as well. A variety of screws and tweezers. That's the build. I'll let you know what sort of power supply we get. In the meantime, we're going to reinforce this table because that thing is heavy. So anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Like I say, subscribe and hit that notification bell for all future videos. We're planning on releasing videos at least once a week. I will still be streaming on Twitch, but unlikely to be the same schedule as what I used to have. It's likely to be just for collaborations with the other people that I normally stream with, and probably just once a month on my own. If you have any recommendations or suggestions of technology you would like us to test, review, feel free to let us know in the comments. Links to all of this stuff and my other channels and everything else. Is that finished? Okay, sorry. Links to everything in the description below. Take it easy, watch what you're doing, and we'll see you in the next one. Say bye.